Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your phone or any other Bluetooth device to your vehicle. The vehicle I am sitting right now is Ram 1500 2017 that is supported with UConnect Infotainment. This is also gonna apply to Dodge Ram 1500s made from 2013 and all the way up to 2018. This Bluetooth pairing is gonna be similar to a lot of other Rams, Dodge and Chrysler vehicles. There are two ways to connect your phone or any device to UConnect system on this vehicle. So first one is by simply pressing a phone icon. And now you got message here, do you want to pair a phone? You will select yes. Now you want to make sure that Bluetooth on your device is enabled, so you want to turn it on. And now on your phone under available devices you want to look for UConnect. Once when you see UConnect you want to press on it. And now you're gonna got this message, a Bluetooth pairing request, and you just want to confirm that that number matches this number on the vehicle. And if it matches, you simply want to press pair. And now you can see that Bluetooth is pairing. And pairing is successful. Now you can select to this device be your favorite, yes or no. I'm gonna select no. And now your phone is ready. At this point your device or your phone is fully connected to UConnect and you can use it. And the other way to connect your phone via Bluetooth to UConnect system is to go through the settings. So you want to press settings. Now you want to scroll down with this knob. You want to scroll down to phone and Bluetooth, and now you want to select phone and Bluetooth and add device. Now it's the same thing. On your phone you need to have Bluetooth enabled and then search for UConnect. Once when you see UConnect you wanna click on it, and then it's gonna ask you to pair your device to UConnect. And now if the PIN number matches on your phone and this screen, you wanna press pair on your device, and in a few seconds you will be fully connected to the vehicle. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.